Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 over and over by creating emojis. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I mean, any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, family, I'm at this website. The name of this website is Flat Icon. So on this website, you're going to be able to create emojis. And what they're called is emoji patterns. So once you come here, what you're going to do is go to flaticon.com/patterns. First, you need to sign up, because I have an account. So you need to go ahead and register and sign up. Very easy and simple to sign up. And once you sign up, you're going to go to that section where it says pattern generator. So let me go there right now. Okay, I'm at the pattern generator section of the website. So as you can see here, they got packs, they got icons, and they have the icons right here. They got all different type of icons. So what you're going to do is search whatever icon you want. You can change the size or the color and the background, and then you'll be able to download the pattern once you complete it. So let me show you how it works. So you're going to click right here where it says random pattern. Now it's going to give you a random pattern. Search right here and search for any type of emoji you want. So here's the emojis that's popped up. So I can add to this pattern right here if I want. So I'll just click right here, click this emoji, and see it pops up, and it gives a pattern. It's 3 emojis popped up. You want to keep clicking on it, and it keeps making a pattern. Or you can add a different one too. Very simple. Once you finish, you can click right here and you'll be able to download it. So that's how that works. So now, you're probably wondering how you're going to make money with this. Well, what I'm going to do is take you to a website where you'll be able to offer this as a service to people, and you'll be able to sell it to them. So let me go to that website right now. Okay guys, I'm at the next website, and it's fiverr.com. I'm sure you heard of this website before. It's very popular. Offer all different type of services. As you can see, graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music, audio, programming, tech, business, lifestyle, and trending. So what I did was put in emoji pattern, and as you can see here, all different type of services popped up for generating emoji pattern design for people. So people come on here, look for these patterns. So as you can see here, some of them are charging $10 to create a pattern, $5, $15, $20, and even $30. So let's just look at the one that's for $20. It says, I will design cute animal stickers, emoji, anime, character. So it doesn't have to be just the regular emojis. It can be any different type of emojis that you prefer. So if I was you, I would come on here and just see what emojis that people are not offering and go ahead and create an account and sell those type of patterns. So that's how you make money with this method, guys. So you go to flat icon, create your pattern, then come here, create an account with Fiverr and sell it for $20 or $30. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one other thing I want to do before I end this video, I like to do shout outs. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment, really appreciate it. Please keep watching my videos. Please keep hitting that like button, and if you share my videos, please keep sharing them. Before I go, one other thing I want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.